cost of living is up. The cost of gasoline is up. The cost of natural gas is up. The cost of home heating oil is up. Housing is more expensive. Rent is up. Utility bills are up. Groceries are up. Gas prices are soaring, and instead of lowering costs or helping working people get ahead, they are doubling down on policies that make life harder. They are cutting Medicare, cutting Medicaid. They're slashing education. They have turned the EPA into every polluter's ally. And they are tearing apart our immigration system. And when they can't defend those choices, they try to distract us, to divide us one against the other. They are flooding our streets, our communities with agents from ICE, agents who have torn families apart, agents who have murdered innocent people in our streets, agents whose actions have left communities grieving and afraid and tired